So, I will be customizing my old balisong knife.
Yes, sir.
Watch for the final result.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
By the way, did any of you guys knew about this knife before? Let me tell you guys a nice little fact about this. Balisong knife is popularly known as butterfly knife. It's mostly seen in Valorant and Cs. Now let's not get off topic and focus on our short. Done. Now let me show you guys my skills.